Welcome. If you are searching for how to install ePlan 2026, or your ePlan is not opening, showing installation errors, or license-related issues, then this video is exactly for you. In this tutorial, I am showing a complete and working installation process for ePlan on Windows, where I explain every step clearly, so you don't miss anything important. ePlan installation is not like a normal software setup. Many users face problems such as installation failed, ePlan not starting, components missing, license-related errors, or system compatibility warnings. That is why in this video, I am not just clicking next and finish. I am showing a proper installation flow, including required settings, permissions, and important things you must do, so that ePlan installs correctly and starts without issues. The same installation method that I am showing in this video also works for ePlan 2025, ePlan 2024, and most other recent ePlan releases as well. This is because the installation structure, the background services, and the way Windows interacts with ePlan are almost the same across these versions. So even if you are not installing ePlan 2026 specifically, you can still follow this tutorial to understand the correct installation flow and avoid the common mistakes that many users make. Every day, thousands of users search online for problems like ePlan 2026 installation failed, ePlan not opening after installation, ePlan licensing problem, ePlan runtime error, ePlan setup stuck or frozen, and in most cases, these issues do not happen because something is wrong with the software itself. They usually happen because some required permissions, security policies, or background services were not configured properly during installation. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the correct installation process so that you can avoid these mistakes and make sure ePlan runs smoothly on your system right from the first launch. Whether you are installing ePlan for learning, electrical engineering work, automation projects, industrial design, panel building, PLC system documentation, or professional CAD electrical design, this guide is designed to help you complete the installation successfully, without confusion and without frustration. And if you are someone who has already tried installing ePlan multiple times, downloaded different installers, watched several tutorials, or changed Windows settings, but still face issues like startup errors, crashing, missing components, or license-related warnings, then this video will be especially useful for you. After you complete the process shown in this video, you should be able to open ePlan normally, without license errors, and without unexpected errors. And if at any stage you need help with ePlan installation, setup files, you can reach out to us for support. You can scan the QR code shown in this video, or contact us through WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or email. We are specialists in Windows and macOS software setup, and we help users solve complex installation problems in a professional and reliable way. Our goal is simple: to make sure your software installs correctly, runs smoothly, and remains stable for long-term daily use, without interruptions. If this video helps you fix your ePlan installation issue, please share this video with others who may also be struggling with ePlan installation or errors. Thank you for watching.